Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I will be showing you how to use a beginner-friendly, straight-to-the-point CRM, as I'll be showing you step by step how to use less annoying CRM. It promises three things that no other CRM can. One, it is beginner-friendly. Two, it doesn't have a lot of clutter, so you can go in straight away and you can get to the point. And you'll also see one, low price, no upcharges. So you can see why this would be a good CRM if you are just getting started. And they also offer a 30-day free trial period. So all you'll need to do is tap on start your free trial, and from there you can sign up using your email address. Once you're signed up and you have verified your email address, you will be redirected to this dashboard. Once on the dashboard, you can start integrating other apps. So for example, let's say you would like to upload your contacts from a next platform. All you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option. From there, you can hover over the settings cog. After hovering over the settings cog, you will see the option right here, integrations. You can tap right there. After selecting integrations, you can see that you'll be able to send bulk emails by syncing your contact list to MailChimp, or you can see the numerous other apps that you can integrate with. You can also go over to the left hand menu option once more, and you could hover over the plus, then tap on contact. After tapping on contact, you could manually add your contacts one by one, as you can see right here. After doing that, another thing that you could do by going over to the plus once more, you can tap on company. From there, you can also add companies, so you can sign up your first company right there. You can also create tasks by tapping on tasks. You could create your first task, as you can see right here. So just like what I said in the introduction, it is quite straightforward to use, and as you can see, it is beginner friendly. So you can create an event if you want. You can tap on the plus, and you can also set up your leads by tapping on lead. Then from there, you could select new contact, and you could enter the contact information, and then you can create your first lead. Also, by going over to the left hand menu option, you can view all your contacts and you can manage your contacts. You can also integrate different calendars. So for example, you can integrate your Google Calendar and so on for all your booking by tapping on calendar. And from here, you can set the time zone and so on. And the last option would be this option right here, which will allow you to view your pipeline reports and your leads, as you can see right here. So this will allow you to view your report dashboard, as you can see right there. Another thing that you can also do by hovering over the settings cog, for example, you can set up your logo and so on. To do this, you'll tap on company branding. After selecting company branding, from here you could scroll down and you can tap on add photo, and you can upload your company logo right there. And another thing that you can also do, as I was saying earlier, you can create your own pipelines by selecting pipelines. You can tap on create another pipeline, and you can create your first pipeline right here. So you can choose to either create the pipeline from scratch or start with one of their pre-made templates. So you could select that. Then from there, you can select whether it is a sales lead, order, customer issue, job application, or project. You have numerous options right there. After doing that, you'll tap on create this pipeline, and you can scroll down and you can view it right there. So you can see right there. Then from there, you can tap on create new status if you want. And then you can also select where you see create new custom field. And if you would like to create a new custom field, you can do that. Or if you would like to edit the pre-made fields, you can simply hover over them with the cursor and tap on edit field settings. Now that I've shown you the different features of the less annoying CRM, it is now time for me to show you the price. So you can view their pricing right here, which starts off at $15 per month, as you can see right there, as that is their flat rate. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.